Hey, let me show you how you can fix connection issues with your Sony Ult Wear headphones. So first of all, I highly recommend you to turn off your headphones by using this power button. So click and hold it for a few moments. There we go. Now just release. And then you have to move into your smartphone. And if you were previously connected with these headphones, just simply get rid of them, remove from the connected devices list. And now I can highly recommend you to turn off the Bluetooth. So I have to just click here, and now it's turned off. So next we have to grab our headphones, and we have to just click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking quickly. Like this. Now we can release. We are in the pairing mode, and as you can see, even when my Bluetooth is actually turned off, I already got this quick pairing information. But I'm gonna click outside and show you step by step. So now turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, then go back into this Bluetooth settings, go to the pairing devices, and from available devices list, just select your Sony Ult Wear headphones. Now click pair. And let's take a look. Okay, right now we are successfully connected. So that's how you can do this. Right now, please subscribe.